Hi, I'm Justin from Freedom Retractable Screens. Today we're replacing a pleated screen with our Freedom Zipline. This screen is only 2 years old, but unfortunately it's already failing. We replace a lot of pleated screens because they sag and the string running through the center of the mesh deteriorates, leaving the pleats deformed when closed. Dirt and debris also collects in the pleats and cleaning can deform and damage the folds too. This homeowner's cat also escapes from under the screen, which we cannot have. Now that we've replaced the pleated screen with a Freedom Zipline Retractable screen, you can see the difference. It's much easier to see through and much easier to clean and maintain. Our screen physically zips the mesh into the track, keeping the screen secure and tensioned throughout its lifespan. Also, we have a patented braking system activated by the handle, which lets you open the screen to any width that you'd like. If you're interested in installing a Freedom screen at your property, contact us today for a free measuring quote.